What are tooltips in Tableau? Tooltips are details that appear when you hover over or rest the pointer over one or more marks in Tableau view. There are scenarios when we need to show more information than usual, but static tooltips can only show up to 2048 characters. You can edit these tooltips to include both static and dynamic text, but for static text, there is a character limit of 2048 characters. In this tutorial, I am going to share an interesting trick to overcome this character limit issue. So let's jump straight into it. Welcome back, this is Gurpreet from Database Canvas, and in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to overcome the character limit issue while showing tooltips in Tableau. For this demonstration, I'm going to use a book review dataset where we are showing the reviews by customer for different books. So as you can see in this particular dashboard, I'm showing the review for the book The Crossing, where the review character count is 4975. So which is over the character limit. So the character limit for static tooltips in Tableau is 2048. And if I hover over to this book, you will see the tooltip window appears, and at the bottom of the tooltip, the text is missing a little bit. So in this particular scenario, I am using the static text. By that I mean is like in the tooltip sections, I have manually entered the text. And in the second section, here I am using the dimension field, which is review, which is linked to each of these books. So I'm hovering over to each of these books, and you can see the text is appearing nice and fine. But when I hover over to the crossing book, you will still see that the bottom of the tooltip, the text is still missing. And by default, you can see the width of this tooltip is this much, because of which if we can increase the width of this tooltip, the text will fit easily. But by default, this is the width and we can't change it in particular scenario. And in the third scenario, what I have done here is similar scenario, similar case, but in the crossing tooltip, the width of the tooltip window is increased and so is the height. And you can see now the entire text is fitting pretty well in this tooltip. So how we can achieve this? For this, let's create a new workbook, and in this workbook I have already connected to book review dataset. So in this particular dataset I have 5 books and the review field where we have the review text in this particular field. So let's bring books into column shelf, and let's change the marks to shape, and I want to pick up a book shape because I like the book. In the book review, it's better to use book shape. And I will increase the size a little bit, and I will change the view to entire view. So now I will bring the review into the tooltip. And when I hover over, you will see by default, it looks like this, where the most of the text is there, but at the end for crossing, some of the text is missing. And let's say I only want to look at crossing book. So I will bring books into filter shelf and select the crossing, and I will remove this field. I will actually go to the tooltips and I will paste the text, and you will see at the bottom I am trying to type in and nothing is coming. So I can type till here and nothing else is entering because that's the limit of 2048 characters. And if I click OK, you will see till here. That's the way of entering the static tooltip. But if I bring the review into tooltips, it's not static anymore, it's dynamic. And in here, I will simply insert the review. And here you will see the height of the tooltip window increased, and there is a bit more text in this particular scenario, but still we are missing the bottom bit of the text. So what I'm going to do here is I will simply create a new sheet, And in this new sheet, I'm gonna bring review into text mark. And I will hide the title, and I will bring book into detail mark. So what it is going to do, it's going to show the review of each of these books, and I will do the entire view. And if I bring the book into column shelf, it will show all the text of the different books. But I will just remove that anyway, and I will give the name to the sheet as review. And I will go back to original sheet where we have books, and let's change the filter of books and bring all the books together. And in the tooltips, instead of putting the dimension directly, I will insert a sheet of review, and I will increase the width and height of this tooltip. So this is another way of showing the tooltips where you can actually share any sheet, any other visualization as well embedded in the tooltip. You just need to bring that sheet by going to insert and bring that sheet in. So let's click OK. And if I hover over to the book, you will see the entire tooltip, entire text is in the tooltip. So that way you can see, but here you will see like the text is there, but there is a gap at the top and the bottom. So because now we have fixed the width and height of the tooltip window, so that way you can adjust the height the way you want it, and entire text will appear in the tooltip. So you can also create another sheet, and I can give you an example where I can bring book into the column shelf, row shelf, and I will create a calculated field of character length. And what I'm going to do here is show the length of the review. And I will create a bar chart for this one, and I will try to embed this bar chart in the tooltip. So we already have one sheet where we are showing the review. Now I'm going to bring another sheet, which is my sheet 3. This will give me the bar chart. So I will simply increase the width to 500, let's say, and click OK. And when I hover over, you will see the bar chart at the bottom, which tells you the character length of that particular review. And you can do a bit more formatting, and you can show the mark labels, and you can hide the borders and the row dividers, and it will look really nice. And just remove the headers from here. I don't want to show headers. Just hide, do a bit more formatting if you want. And then when you hover over to these books, you will see it will give you the length of character length of the review. So that's how you can overcome the character limit issue in the tooltips, and also you can use this technique to embed any other visualization in the tooltips as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this session, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email or comment in the section below, and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you. Catch you next time.